See if I look nervous.
I think you've done this like but you always get a little bit nervous, right?
I've never been.
Yeah.
I don't let him go if I'm nervous.
Dallas Traffic Cherokee 6A Hotel is taking runway 21 left close to that.
What's this? What's going on? Attaboy, Devon. Just keep flying the plane. Cheated death again.
Delta, baby.
Put the brakes on. What do you go around? Might be going to Foxtrot.
I know, right?
So
It's actually one of my favorite
here's your
shirts.
congratulations team here. This is your audience.
Awesome. Yeah, man. Thanks, man. Thanks, guys. Cheers, man. Feels good. Just got the monkey off my back, you know? Wasn't the best landing, but I'm just happy it was controlled and got it down.
It was fine.
Wheels are on it, so.
You did fine. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Nogales International Airport, Tiffin Aviation, with Devon Ostheimer. You can see he's got a pretty good sized grin.
Yeah.
What's that all about, Devon?
I just felt interesting going up there by myself.
Going up where by yourself?
Up in the air, it was awfully quiet.
You were in the sky alone?
Yeah, did a lot of talking to myself. Just sweating. It was hot, but it was well worth it. So it felt good just to confidence builder is all.
Yeah. And what was this the airplane you flew?
This is it, Cherokee 6A Hotel.
What kind of airplane is that?
Well, it's our Piper Archer. Single engine land, low wing aircraft. Oh, and you know, so we've been practicing in it for a while, and it feels good to go up by myself. Very rewarding.
Cool. What would you say to anybody else that's thinking about flying?
Well, I would say, you know, if it's one of your dreams, and you know, I definitely think you should pursue it. And Nogales is a great place to train, and it's a lot of fun.
All right. Well, great. Yeah. Anything you want to say to your family?
Yeah, I just want to say I love you guys, and thanks for letting me do this. And I want to thank everyone who helped me get here, Terry, Larry, and all this moral support I've gotten around here, and James as well. And it's just been great, so I'm really thankful.
All right. All right, man. We'll see you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, here.
Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Tiffin Aviation with Devon Ostheimer.
Yeah.
And Devon, tell me what you just did today and show me what's in your hand.
Well, we got the private pilot certificate here, so I guess this means I'm officially a pilot. Passed the check ride, and just can't thank everybody here at Tiffin Aviation. Obviously, Terry, my instructor, James, and everyone who's been with me along this journey, and Randy. It's been amazing. It's still kind of sinking in, so I'll never forget this day for sure.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Congratulations. It's been a pleasure flying with you.
Thank you, Terry.
And I hope to see you soon for your instrument rating.
Will do. I'll be back.
All right. So long, man. Have a safe ride home for a while.
Thank you.